Alright, November 19th, we're backtesting 2023 still, July 10 through July 14th, and then I'm also gonna do July 17th to July 21st. So I'm doing 2 weeks in this video. I got stuff to do tomorrow. I might do a third week too later, but we'll see. I got stuff to do tomorrow, and I won't be home for 3 days pretty much. So I have nothing to record. So I gotta knock these out. I'm still gonna be backtesting though, but I just can't record it. But I'm gonna get right into it. I'm also eating some falafels. Hold on. Let's hear this crunch right quick. Oh my god. That's gas. Alright. You got no news? You got no news here? We tap into this hourly up here. We also have this hourly right here, which we have an SMT at now. Just wait a little bit. See if we get a 5-minute fair value gap lower. Okay, so drawn liquidity is gonna be London low. Unless we're coming off of something here. Okay, we're coming off of that's intermediate term low that we just swept. Uh, NQ and ES are pretty uncorrelated. Yes, NQ is dumping. ES is not really pumping, just moving sideways. So we'll see. We'll see here. All right. Where we inverse all these 5 minutes here. We have this 5 minute. It's 10:10. We got no news, right? No news. Ooh. Might have went too quick on that one. So we're break even right here. I'm not gonna lie. Should have checked the 30-second first. Still gonna take this though. Coming off this 5 minute, we have SMT at the lows. It looks like price is gonna be more bullish after coming off this hourly. We have this high right here, and then we have hourly unfilled up there. Yeah. 5 minute. We have a 15-minute. We don't have a 15-minute. It's 15-minute rejection off this low. I do like that. We have SMT there too. It's gonna be SMT right here. So this would be a 30-second long. 30-second long. I do like this. I know I went pretty quickly. Would be break even, but I mean would be I already saw it went break even. So let's see. Damn. Alright. It's the only 5 minute here. Ooh, okay, yeah, we inversed 5 minute. This looks pretty good. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Was there a better approach to that? That's what I'm gonna ask. So we did. I know we had SMT with this high, but we've been had that SMT. Yes, it's just continue to pump. We got SMT with this high here, and then ES. Oh, we created relative equal highs. All right, so that's just a break-even trade. It's 1029. So the price wants to do here. Maybe sweep this low out right here, and then we get another long, just generate highs potentially. Okay. 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. $10.40. Moving sideways. I prefer the slow getting swept if I was gonna long. It's already 11:05, but if there is a long, it would be this one right here. Doesn't look horrible unless we inverse the 5 minute. Oh, we tapped into a lower 5 minute. We generate liquidity at the highs. Equal highs up here. See if it plays out. I'm not gonna take it. Let's see if it plays out. The break even. Yeah, break even at that internal high. Probably go break even at. It's a little too close right there. I go break even here. Break even. All right, you would have gotten break even. All right. Next day. Take a bite from this falafel. Mmm. It's so perfect. Alright, we take London high on both assets. We got relative equal lows down here. Let's see if we can get down here. Nice. Nice. So we got that resweep. We got that SMT at the highs. We got these relative equal lows down here. Oh man. Oh man, it's a 5 minute too. Okay. One. Never mind. Never mind. How much is that? 940? Hold on. I might be tripping. Never mind. They all close super low. Alright. See how price reacts here. We got this intermediate term low. Next draw would be this low right here. And this 15 minute. So we gotta get continuation lower. We don't get a continuation. We tap into the 15-minute and sweep that sell side. We might have a 4-minute. Okay, we have a 4-minute and we have a 5-minute. Okay, we respect the 5-minute. So next draw will be the sell side down here. Unless we get a clean reaction. Do we have a 2-minute here? No 2-minute. No 3-minute. Yeah. I don't think I'm longing anything here. We have SMT at this low. We just respected a 5-minute for value gap, so I wouldn't long here. Unless, okay. Alright, now I kinda like this. Get this 5-minute for value gap inverse. And we have a 5-minute, we have a 15-minute, it's a 15-minute too. So I low-key don't hate it. I low-key don't hate it. Alright. I like this. Go for a 1-on-1. And then looking to see this 15-minute for value gap. Let's see, we've got these highs up here. That ES is pretty close to, which would be these highs right here. So let's see. Nice. One R here. Right. We still respected the 15-minute for value gap. We swept this intermediate term low. And then get a pretty clean reaction. So we respect this 5-minute right here. You get that SMT. For me, this 30-second was way too early, in my opinion. I wanted more confirmation. We didn't even have a 1-minute gap, no 2-minute, no 3-minute. So I genuinely, in this moment, I thought price would just continue lower, but we just got this really nice displacement. CISD here as well. Just really like this candle right here. So slap that, went for 1R, targeting that 15-minute. And yeah, solid trade. 1R. Let's go to next day. I'll keep this drawing. Let's see. Get another bite in. Alright. We already have SMT at the highs. Oh, bro. Forgot we're not at all-time highs anymore. Oops. I just played out price. Potentially got something here. Damn, that's a large range. Okay, I'm still bullish then. I'm still bullish. Oh, dude, that's a far draw, I'm not gonna lie. Bruh. Ooh. Wait, nah, that was low-key. That's low-key. Wait, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, that might have been a short. It was relative equal highs. Nah, I'm skipping out on that. Alright, we tap into this 15-minute and this 5-minute here. Do we get an inversion out of this? We get a 2-minute. We have a 2-minute here. This would be a 2-minute inverse. Targeting 1R. Super premium. I don't know if I like it. Draw is kind of unclear. We didn't really... Let's skip out on this one. We just have these highs, but like... It's honestly nothing crazy. I'm gonna skip this setup. Could play out though. No break even if I were to take this. Alright. Stop there. And take it. We dig deeper. This is much better. Oh, it's 10:45? Damn. 10:55? Alright, so nothing for this day. We just completely pumped up. Didn't really get a trade. Kind of slow price action going up and then sideways, and then we're super premium, so I don't want a long. Draw is really far up, so nothing clear. Go next day here. Alright. Getting a little closer to this draw. We're still bullish. Alright. Price action is just not the best. I don't know why it does that. Ooh. Barely missed data highs. We got that's PPI. Okay, bet. So price can. Oh, dude, we don't have nothing here, bro. We have this hourly gap here. Price action is not the best right now. Potentially, if we could come back into this hourly here, then I'll consider a long. Never mind. I'll consider it short, actually. No, I won't. We don't have any gaps. Okay. 15-minute for value gap opens up. We have a 5-minute right here. again, it's just like yesterday. Just super premium. It's literally the same exact setup. Mm, actually, wait. Hold on. Let me check something. This was later into the session. So this would be a 10 a.m. open low, high close. So open lower. Okay. I like this one a little more than yesterday, but it's pretty similar. We are closer to the draw though. Where did the draw go? Bro. Oh, it's right here. What? It just disappeared. Alright, it's right there. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take this. I like this reaction. I like what we're getting here. It's a 15 minute, 5 minute. Okay, bet. We're gonna do this. Going for this high. Oh, no way, please. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Might have gone stop rated there. Alright, never mind. Never mind. So yeah, pretty similar to yesterday. I mean, just didn't have clear draws here. It's just oh, let me get another bite. The draws weren't the best, honestly. Only reason why I took it is because it's 10 a.m. and we had a clean manipulation and a clean inversion, but still a low rated setup. Targets just aren't clean. Overall price action isn't clean. Alright. Alright, we end up hitting that buy side. We end up hitting it. We inverse the 15-minute fair value gap, and then we go higher. It's not the best conditions. Alright. Got draws up here. Got SMT at the high. Let's see, do we have a gap? Okay, we got this hourly gap here. But we're already respecting hourly, so let's see how price plays out. Alright. We take out the draw. See what the next draw is. Alright, we're in this huge 4-hour. Bro. Yeah, I just hate ranges like this. We're just continuing to pump up, and then PDAs are like super far away. Like, just need a better lower time frame targets, like better retracements. This was perfect, but we just didn't get anything. Like I don't even need a play out price like that. We don't have a 5 minute gap to trade for a mech. I know we're inside of a 4 hour here, but I'm not trying to look for 15 minute in there. So honestly, it's probably gonna be a no trade day. If it even was a mech, it would be you wouldn't even have one. There's no gap to inverse other than the 5 minute. There's this 3 minute here that inverse. There's a 4 minute right there, and then you had your 5 minute here, and then you had another 5 minute right here. So close would be right here. Let's see if you hit the 15 minute. Okay, you end up hitting the 15 minute. But then you already have SMT at this low, so yeah, just a bad range. Just a bad range. Okay, that's a 5 minute close. Let's see if it goes higher. Just kind of moved sideways. Alright, I noticed that about this week. Kind of moved sideways towards the end of the session. Moved down a little bit. But, yeah. Alright, that's all for this week. 1L, 1 win. Honestly, just wanted to take this to see. But same criteria as the day prior. Where was it? This one was the mech. This one's the mech. I think it was here. Yeah, it was just no clear higher time frame or lower time frame targets. The higher time frame is just way too far. Same with this one. Higher time frame is way too far. If you go on the 5 minute, it's just one swing high. You go on the 4 minute, 3 minute, it's nothing. There's no clear liquidity to target on a lower time frame. We'll go to next day. We got 8:30 news. Got more structure to trade with. We're respecting this 4 hours, so we're bouncing within two gaps. Got this hourly unfilled gap here. We got buy side right above. Got these sell side levels, and we're just taking out London high. So we have SMT here. So potentially price wants to move lower. It can. Alright, we got a 5 minute for value up here. We got these sell side levels down here. We have this unfilled 5 minute right here. Do we have an hourly? We don't have an hourly. Coming off this intermediate term high and tapping into this hourly for value gap. Let's see what we get. Okay. Not a clean reaction. We inverse this 5 minute and we also just really high close on that 5 minute right here. And respect this 15 minute right here, so alright, we just moved sideways for the next like 20 minutes. No, in the whole hour we moved sideways. Okay, we manipulate this high. It's already past 11, but we'll see. Alright, I'm not staying here for this. Next day, got Tuesday, we got 8:30 news. Let's see what we got. Alright, sweep the slow out. Intermediate term low. Buy side will be up here. at this manipulation. SMT there. We dump lower. Got this hourly gap right here. Alright. 5-minute for rally gap. See what price wants to do here. Super weird range, to be honest. Just took out this internal low, or that's what we're rejecting here, and we tap into a 5-minute for value gap. We have no clear lower time frame targets, and then while ES is pumping, NQ is dumping. So I'm gonna fade this one. It would have been break even. It's just easy to, not easy, but you can recognize bad PA through just a lack of gaps, and then when the higher time frame target is just not clear. Like this high right here is a high that took out this high, so it's pretty high resistance. And then ES is pumping, right? And then NQ is literally going down, so they're just uncorrelated. Just bad price action. 2023 has been bad in terms of June and July at least. Yeah, I'm just playing 5-minute candles now, and now we have SMT at this high. Come back into this 5-minute. It's 10:50. Let's see if we even. It just moves sideways. Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible. This is the range that we're getting right now. Go to next day. Bro, I'm about to skip on 2023 and start doing different year. What am I back testing? I mean, it's good practice for bad price action, which is that's really good. So just being patient, waiting for a good setup. Just lower time frame targets here. Okay, we take buy side. Not coming off a gap, so I wouldn't short here. So if we create a 5-minute for value gap to move lower, it'll be pretty fire. Alright, okay, we create a 5-minute here. And then we have this high right here. See if ES can take out that high, we get an SMT. Okay, we got an SMT there. We have a fair value gap to inverse. We don't. It's pretty sharp. Continue lower. Draws will be these lows down here. Reject that low, which is these lows here. So we get a resweep. And then get a 3-minute inversion. Only problem is that ES already took the targets. And it's just a choppy range. There's a high resistance high here. And we're coming off this 5-minute, and then we're coming off this 15-minute. Super wicky. It's 10:20. I'm gonna fade this one. Could definitely play out. It would be this 3-minute here. Yeah. I mean, it's still not a bad setup, but I don't know. Just not confident with this range right now. Just random fat candle, bro. This is Wednesday. Okay, Thursday we got 8:30 news. Going to the next day. Alright, fat dump. Looks like we have some order flow going. Okay, we retrace up at 9:30 into this 15-minute fair value gap, and we sweep this internal high here. Alright, we have a 5-minute fair value gap already got tapped. Clearest draw would be London High. Well, we already have SMT at London High. Respect this 15-minute, and then we get this inversion of this 15-minute. Could have 5-minute, but we already took out the low, and we have SMT at the low. So we got SMT at London High, and we got SMT at this internal low. Alright. A little more clear where we're going. We took out sell side. Alright, this would be a 1-minute inverse to the upside. It's 1040. Got this 5-minute for value gap here. Dude, that's a super close break even. Alright, for the sake of backtesting, I'm just gonna... We have 15-minute? Okay, for the sake of backtesting, I'm just gonna slap this on. Be a 1-minute inversion here. It's what, 10:54, no break even. Alright, TP get hit. Just the reaction we got off this 5-minute, and then the intermediate term low, and then still within the hourly. I did like that, but live market, I know I wouldn't take this. This imbalance was way too close. For sure, 100%, this would be a break-even trade on on any day. Not even a break-even trade. It's not even a trade that I would take because it's way too close. Way too close. You can't assume that this 5-minute fair value gap is gonna get inverse and we're gonna go to the 15-minute. It's a really bad assumption. But yeah, I mean, I guess caught a dub. Ugh. Go to the next day, last day, and then I'm done with this. Done with this chart. I'm gonna find a different year. No, I won't. No, I won't. I'm gonna switch between this year and probably maybe 2022 or maybe like something before COVID. 20, 2018 maybe. Alright, we got this 4-hour gap, and then we got this hourly gap up here. Pretty bullish. Wait, inverse is 4-hour? What's a daily? We're inside a daily fair value gap, we're moving higher, so let's see if price can continue that. 15-minute gap, we got this 15-minute down here. We just hit this hourly gap too, bro. A 3 minute right there. Alright, bro. Thought we could at least tap into this 15 minute here. But nah. Take out the low. Continue lower. Let's see, where are we going? Where are we going? Hourly fair value gap. Right here. Okay, we got this 15 minute here. 15 minute fair value gap. Can delete this. No gaps. 0 gaps on a 5 minute. It's crazy. Some bad PA, bro. This be a 4 minute? Nah, it'd be a 3 minute. I don't like this setup, bro. Setup's kind of dookie. Yeah, dude. 1024. I'm actually getting bored of this price action. Genuinely. Was that a short? Dude, don't tell me that was a short. Terrible short. Terrible short, terrible short. Bro, what am I seeing, bro? Okay, okay. Potential. There's potential here. Relative lows. 5 minute for value gap. 3 minute? 4 minute inversion. Let's see. Okay. Potential here, there's potential. Going for 1R. Alright, I genuinely like the setup. Oh, it's 10:55, bro. Are you kidding me? Alright, whatever. 10:55, whatever. I'm not getting anything with this price action. Whatever. I'm just taking it anyways. Alright, coming out this 5 minute. Disrespect that 15 minute. I mean, okay. We took out this low here. But this is the external low, so target the external low. Oh, damn. Dude. I'm messing up. I'm genuinely messing up my stats. Genuinely messing up my stats. If I'm gonna take these types of trades, I'm definitely doing $50 risk, bro. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this price action is terrible, bro. Do we resweep? We don't resweep that high. Oh, do we resweep it? No. Come on. Oh. 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 Okay. Ooh. Bro, at this point, I'm not even backtesting. Oh! Wait. Low key, low key. I'm losing it. This is the point where I'm losing it. This price action is making me. I can do all kinds of things. Watch this. 6R right here. Oh, no. 6R. Watch this. Bang. Bang. Easy trade. Easy trade. What time is this at? 2 p.m. Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. I don't even trade PM like that. Let's see if this was a PM trade. Genuinely. If this was a PM trade, we sweep this intermediate term high within the 15-minute for value gap, and then we get displacement. We come back into this 15-minute right here. This is the thing. We're not getting good reactions off these levels. This past, honestly, past 2 months of price action, we sweep a level and then we just like move sideways for a little bit, and then we get that displacement, which I don't like. Okay, if this was a PM trade, this would have been not horrible. This wouldn't have been bad. So it would have been a 3-minute, and then probably target these lows, or so 1.25. Not a bad setup. Or if you're confident in the lows, you could just hold, or wait until ES takes out these lows. So about right. Oh no, they take it out at the same time. So you could capitalize this 3.5 AR, generate liquidity, generate lower time frame here. Definitely bearish. This was dumb that we didn't get this low, but it's cool. Okay. Brain's fried from this price action, so I'm done back testing. Yeah. 6R. 6R setup. Let's go. I'm kidding. Alright. This last 2 weeks is basically another video on recognizing bad market conditions. I'm gonna definitely rewatch these videos and study it. Just bad volatility, bad draws, just bad. Sweeps are not showing reactions. All right, actually, let me write these down for myself. All right, notes for myself, right there. That's what I noticed within the last 2 months of 2023. Honestly, pretty good. It's really about being patient, not forcing setups. Only reason I took a lot of setups is because it's just back testing. So Sometimes, no, a lot of times, all the time, taking losses backtesting is good because it saves you from taking losses in the live market. It saves me from taking losses in the live market as long as, you learn from them. So, yeah, just taking everything. Overall, B, B, B minus B conditions right now in this year. So, learning patience within the last couple of weeks backtesting this year. But that's all. We cut it here. 51-minute recording. Yeah, I'm out. Later.